I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you build a content bank so your channel never depends on one video idea at a time? Simple. Stop treating ideas like a list and start managing them like inventory. Use a 4-bucket system. First, captures. This is every raw idea from comments, search suggestions, competitors, and your own channel data. No judging yet. Second, validated angles. An idea only moves here if it passes 3 checks. It solves a clear viewer problem, it makes a specific promise, and you have at least one proof source search demand, a strong comp video, or repeated audience questions. Third, production ready. That means the title angle is chosen, the thumbnail direction is clear, and the outline exists. Fourth, reserve. These are evergreen backup videos you can make anytime if a main topic falls apart. Here's the decision rule. Never send raw ideas straight into production. You only produce from production ready, and every time you publish one video, you replenish each earlier stage. For a beginner, I keep at least 20 captures, 8 validated angles, 3 production ready ideas, and 2 reserves. Not because bigger is better, because each stage removes a different kind of risk. If you want one workflow layer to track all that cleanly, Satura is useful. That's how you build a channel that doesn't depend on one idea at a time.